home bargain with my wife. Yeah, I just thought I should take you with me. Keep up. Oh, I thought you got some at home.
I don't know what it is.
Oh my days. You'd like this one. You don't like flies?
Yeah.
You could just whack them with that. Oh yeah, it's Raymond's birthday tomorrow. Hey, Wednesday. Oh, tomorrow's Tuesday, yeah. Alright guys. It's not tomorrow, it's Wednesday. Being 4 years old. Okay. She like that. Gotta get her something she like. Something she'll be like, oh my god, this is amazing. That's cute. Alright. That's a nice one. Getting this one here for the girls. It's very nice and cute. It's a bargain. Which one? Yeah, that's nice as well. Alright, that's for the girls. Looks good. And it's a bargain, it's only £5. It's £5. Oh, okay, that's for the boy. Rev. That's 8 years older. Oh, they've got different sizes.
He's been asking me again this morning for Captain America. I don't know what he's on. You know, his chest. Our things can be looking big. Is that going to fit him?
Yeah, should be right. Oh, that's nice. Really like it. There you go, guys. You can get this from Home Bargain for £5. Junk food. Not good for you. Not good for you. Not good for you, mate. Bad. Junk. Bad stuff. Not nice. Don't eat this, guys. It's bad for your health. Stay away from this, kids. Stay away. Junk. Go and get a basket. Oh, there's one here. Alright guys, so we're getting these sweets here. It's not, we don't get this stuff for kids. We don't buy these stuff for kids at all. But it's gonna be Rayma's birthday on Wednesday, so she might have to take it to school, you know, just share it with her friends and stuff. You know how it works. Just gotta be generous. The other kids do it, so why not? But to be fair, we try to keep our kids away from these type of stuff. It's not good. It's not good at all. Poisonous stuff, mate. Alright. Bad. No good, no good. No good at all. These are markers, different colours, a bunch of them. How much are these?
£7, £8 basically.
£7, £8?
£14 on Amazon.
Alright, it's £8, guys. It's a bargain. Nice. £14 on Amazon. Alright.
Should we get Roma this one?
Oh yeah, she loves butterflies. What, she's got to paint it, colour it. Okay.
Or she can colour in this. Paint it.
Okay.
Yeah, this.
Alright, what's that? A bag? A book? Okay.
Oh, it's got lights.
Mm.
It's alright. outlines.
It's an interesting pen. What did the couple do?
What did she say about the pajamas?
That was... Why is there a mess on the floor here like that? How you gonna park so close? How did they come out the car? Okay, everything seems to be alright. Gunpowder Mills. Welcome to Gunpowder Mills, okay? Alright, gotta get rid of this first. Waiting for a van man to come here to pick up this mess. It's a lot of mess, so waiting for someone to do that. For now, okay, here we go. Oh, should I get? Let me get my gloves. Can I get the gloves, please, mate? Thank you very much. Both of them, please. Thank you. Got the gloves now, so let's put it on. Ready. All right, take this off. Got my little gadget here. It's quite handy. It really helps. Got to charge it most of the times, but it does help. Wait, there we go. No, what's happening? Ugh. What's happening? Oh, yeah, there we go. There we go. Okay. So I've got to touch this there. Yeah, that's done. And then once that's done, and then press the so it shows where the air is at. It's at 15 right now, PSI. Gotta go higher than that. So right now it's 15. Might have to get it up to about 48. That's it really. Give it a few seconds. Hey! It's this way. Yeah. Hey boss, I'm good boss. You right there, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Nice, nice. You can,
Sure.
you got space here. If you want me to move or you got space?
No, we are good.
Yeah, okay, perfect. No worries, man. Alright, so this is the people coming to pick up the mess. go. And we are done today.
Should really invest in one of those things that holds up the camera. Because this is shaking like a whole.
All right, we are at B&Q now. We need to get a blind and I think 1 or 2 stuff. All right, it's a long day today.
All right, let's go. You right? Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do.
Ooh, a lot of good stuff. Ooh. Yep, found him. It's right here. Right, perfect. This is the sort of window, but it is quite large, isn't it?
Okay.
So that's what I'm
But I
looking
mean, you
for.
can always, like, they do different sizes. So it depends on the width and the size, but you got 140,
It has to be, I'm thinking of 177.
177.
Yeah. Yeah, and I think I finally made up my mind. It has to be something like these ones here, just so they don't need to be taking it up and down and stuff. Or all they got to do just
Yeah, the roller bar.
yeah, roll, yeah.
Yeah, it looks like all of the stuff is online. There. Nothing you're going to be able to secure it with. We don't have anything like that here,
Okay.
unfortunately.
You have it online, or I have to go on Amazon or something?
We have it on our website, but not the size you're looking for.
Oh.
So you will probably either Amazon or them shop.
Entry's got to be documented. Nice. It's only £11. That's not too bad. All right. Well, what's happening?
That's fine, we can bear.
Yeah. Let's go.
The other thing we need to get is toilet thingy, remember?
What's that?
Toilet.
Okay.
Toilet holder. Cleaner thing.
Okay. Yeah. Wow, this is sad. This is sad.
Dear.
This is sad. I don't know, getting the wall or what are we getting? Just stop this side, just because there's nothing. Yeah, but you went past. Yeah, but you went. Oh my lord.
It's okay.
It's her, it's not me.
Any sauces?
Sweet curry as well, please.
Please, perfume. 1 minute, yeah?
Yeah, is that a sweet carrot? Yep, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
She said pop at the bay.
I guess so. Do you want me to go at the bay? All right, thank you. Ugh. Okay. All right. That's cool.
I can't zoom in. I've zoomed in. Okay. Yeah.
Alright, so it's this window that we need to work on today. But yeah, it's a job for tomorrow. I'm a bit tired now. It's about time to get some rest. Alright, so alright guys, so it's about time to take a measurement of the window. As you can see, it's quite slanted and I have to measure the inside, otherwise okay, yeah, otherwise if it's outside, it's on the wall, we won't be able to open the window, so it has to be on the actual window itself, the window border, I think that's what they call it. So, and the good thing is it's actually wood, it's wooden, the surface is wood, so which is really good, makes life easier to drill in, and yeah, it makes life a lot easier. So let's start with the measurement. Alright lads, how we doing? How we doing? Listen, it's been a long day today, man. It's been a long day. Finally done. You just need to get some rest, really. Alright, see you soon.